Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Mi 11X device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to compare both phones side by side. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones read and write speeds. So to measure the read and write speeds, we do have plenty of other applications, but right now I'm trying to use the two applications, which is Android Bench and the CPTT. Let's see using these applications how much read and write scores we can actually get in this both phones. So first let me show you all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, nothing at all. So that's another thing which I'm just mentioning for you all. And let me start the test without wasting any time. So both phones, they do have the same kind of UFS storage 3.1, but so which is really the latest one and which is really powerful one. That's another thing, friends. So first phone to finish is the Realme GT Neo 2 and then the Mi 11X device. We got the results right now. So you can clearly see the sequential read and the write speeds are slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. 1740 versus 1400 and 734 versus 687. Sequential read and write speeds, exactly. And the random read is 257 and random write is 240. So random write is slightly higher in the Mi 11X device. So these are the ratings which we got in the one application. Now let's test the second application, which is a CPTT application, which is also useful to measure the readings of the read and write speed, sequential write. So in this application also, it shows write speed is slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, 489. And sequential read is slightly higher in the Mi 11X device, 787. So sequential write is higher in this phone, read is higher in this phone, and random write is also higher, I think, in the Mi 11X device. So random write, and now we are going to the random read test. So after this one, I'll try to conclude this video, friends. At the end of the video, we'll see. So there's not a huge difference happening in this kind of application, as you can see, slightly. Sometimes the Mi 11X has got higher advantage, sometimes the Realme GT Neo 2 got slightly advantage. But this will give you the clear idea what is going on between these both phones in terms of the read and write speeds. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.